What you see is what you get, done in real time, so you can see exactly what goes on inside our shed. Hi, welcome to Goccopro UK. Today I'm going to show you another complete operation of the MiScreen. We've got a black frame here and I've got a piece of master material. The master material is shiny on the one side and rough on the other side. And we do the S to S, shiny to sticky, and we just put it down onto this frame, stretching it out as we go. So we just drop that one down there. Very quick, very easy, and once you've done a couple of them, you soon have the idea of how to do it. And then when we get to the end, we just pop that up again, tease it out, try and get rid of any of the wrinkles. I've managed to muck this one up a little bit. There we go. So once we've got our master material sorted, we're now ready. Now on the frame there's an arrow, and there's an arrow on our MiScreen, and that's what we put together. So the next thing we do is we choose our image from the box, and I want to have, today we're going to print a high-vis vest. So ABCD high-vis vest, and we just drag it in, and there we have our image. And where I've positioned this, I've positioned it at the top of the image so that it actually comes out at the top of the image. And there we have it there. And at this stage all we need to do is just do send image. And the light flashes, the image has arrived at the machine, and then all we do is we put this in here, we put our locating lugs, and we just hold it down. And as it goes through, it should burn the image into the screen, giving us the perfect digital screen. It stops when it gets to the end, and there we have our I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There we have our image done. Now the next thing we do is we just turn everything around. Give me a second, I'll just move this over to here. Got two frames set up here, and we'll bring the camera around. As you can see, we're just in a little print shed, all very tight in here. We get our high-vis vest. So right in the centre of the back. Tighten down our frame. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this up a wee bit. Get a little bit of black ink. I think I could find my black ink. Oh my goodness gracious me, that was terrible. I should have had that already before we started the filming. Anyway, never mind. So we've got a little bit of black ink. I'm going to use plastisol and just put it down on here. one nice pull. And there we have our wonderful top printed and ready to go. We just heat press it now, and that's one of our tops done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so that you can be kept up to date with any of our other videos that we'll be releasing over the coming months. Thank you very much, and have a great day.